So we're here with Andy and Beth from SKC, and they're displaying some equipment. So talk with us, Andy, about SKC.
All right, thank you, Travis. SKC is probably best known as a manufacturer of air sampling equipment, both air sampling pumps and sampling media for the industrial hygiene and environmental industry. However, we're also a manufacturer of sound and noise monitoring equipment, and we have products for several different aspects of the environmental market, such as fence line monitoring for particles. So if you have a situation where you're trying to do fence line monitoring to measure the exposure in or out of an area, we have fence line monitoring capabilities, or we also have sampling media that allows you to measure those particulates or vapors or what have you that might be in the area. We also have gas detection, so whether it be for confined space gas monitoring or just single gas monitoring for an employee, whether it be measuring oxygen, CO, H2S, or any other toxins, we have that as well. So
the website again?
The website is www.skcinc.com. So that's skcinc.com.